Alright, hello everyone, it's Miss Gummel. I'm just going to give you a brief rundown of how you're going to do this assignment. This is our first unit, so in our first topics. This is Unit 1, Topic 1, and the title of this topic is Comparing Rational Numbers. Okay, and just a refresher, rational numbers are any number that you can find on a number line. Okay, so the directions are, for this topic, you're going to be able to work at your own pace and choose how you want to learn the content. So what I mean by that is I'm giving you all of the work for this topic in this Google Slides. And so if you want to speed ahead, you can, or if you want to take your time, you can do that. Everybody's going to have to turn it in eventually, but you can work at your own pace. You can also choose how you want to learn by reading or by watching. So on each slide, you're going to see written directions, or on each slide, you will see a video with narration by me on how to complete it. So if you prefer to just read over the directions and get started, you can do that. Or if you would rather watch a how-to video and then get started, you can do it that way. Okay, so for each task, you're going to be given a few examples. Then you will answer some problems yourself. So every time we start a new little task, there is going to be one or two of the problems already filled in and an explanation video showing how I did it, but then you'll do the rest yourself. You can complete each slide by reading the directions or watching the attached how-to video. Once you finish all the slides, you're going to submit all of your answers on the attached Google form. So the Google form is on this assignment in Google Classroom, or it's linked at the very end of this slideshow. So remember, you don't want to do the Google form until very last. Okay? When you are doing the Google form, you need to be sure to pay close attention to the question numbers when submitting your answers. Also know that question numbers are found in the red pentagons that look like this on each slide. So I'm going to go over more of how you're going to submit your answers at the very end of Google Slides, but that's just for you to know. A couple things to keep note of. This assignment is going to count as a classwork grade in PowerSchool. Okay. You are going to submit all of your questions onto the Google form at the very end. And one thing to remember, on each slide, you will see a gray box with a YouTube symbol that looks like this. The directions for each slide, a video version of the directions. You will just, where it says click here, you will click that. It will open the little white box that has the link in it, and then you have to click that. Then it will show you how to complete that slide. Good luck!